Hello? Is this thing on? Is my mic on? Yeah? Alright. We're recording live right now. Obviously, you can fucking tell. So, let's get that life and death production beat going. Yeah! I don't know why I fucking do that all the time. Whatever. Listen. Yeah. Better get strapped up, go get your fucking gun. Military's coming through, snatching up everyone. Fuck that. My sick, twisted brain got me lifted like taking them 4 lines of cocaine. I wanna be free, but I'm locked down. There's so much of a bitch, I swear they're probably sucking cock now. I've been down for days, trapped in this smoke cloud of purple haze. Hello hater, can you see me now? You follow so much, I know you wanna be me now. If what's hot is really hot, then I wanna be cold. If mainstream rap is a royal flush, then I wanna fold. Cause I wanna be a little bit different. Spit what I wanna spit, not what the business thinks is the shit. A lyrical mastermind, let the all-seeing eye be after mine. I'm gonna keep it real, you're just a thought, I'm the fucking graphic design. I lost my mind so long ago, I don't really know where it went. I lost my dad, lost my ex, and now I'm about to lose my friends. Lose my friends. People always tell me that I'm starting to change, but I can't control the thoughts that always go through my brain. Scars are just the reality of a harder way. Xanax flow, I got bars for days. Homie, you are not hard. I light that shit up like the top of a cop car. Keep my verses like my father's crack, it's rock hard. Killing it lyrically, the big elite try to put fear in me. The ones that stay asleep need to wake up, do you hear me? Second guess the message again. On this mic, I'll make your boyfriend act more bitch than a room filled with lesbians. Friends don't come around like they used to. Music is my bitch, the only thing that stays true to you. Let my haters envy, cause they'll never be one step ahead of me. My music is getting out there like every fucking street selling weed. Battle me, I'll take you down like a shot of Hennessy. A gifted mind, stay rapping shit up, it's always Christmas time. I lost my mind so long ago, I don't really know where it went. I lost my dad, lost my ex, and now I'm about to lose my friends. Lose my friends. People always tell me that I'm starting to change, but I can't control the thoughts that always go through my brain.
Benny James, I see that you're doing music now. You know if you want that fortune and fame, that major contract, all the money, everything you could dream for, you gotta sell your soul to me. Yup, I'm gonna take it, and I'm never letting you get it back.
I lost my mind so long ago, I don't really know where it went. I lost my dad, lost my ex, and now I'm about to lose my friends. Lose my friends. People always tell me that I'm starting to change, but I can't control the thoughts that always go through my brain. What he said. You already know who it is. Life and Death Productions on the beat. And we out.